This is a vintage Homelite XL-12 in excellent condition. No cracked, damaged, or missing cases or components. An original Homelite bar. The chain will need some sharpening before use. A great saw for your collection, the backyard, or the camp. Click on the link below for pictures and details and how to buy this saw right now at an extremely competitive price. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price always matters most.